Go to code.visualstudio.com. Click on Download and pick your system. Then go through the steps and hit Install. Then launch VS Code. Let's add some extensions. Live Server is great to see and test your code. Hit Install. Prettier makes code formatting easier, and JavaScript code snippets will help writing JavaScript. Let's test by opening a new folder. I will create this test map for it. Add an HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file. Type exclamation mark and tab to add the HTML boilerplate. Add a simple heading to test your live server. Or you can install Live Preview from Microsoft and open an in-app preview. Have fun coding.